Hey guys, welcome back. I am in the farm right now and I'm doing another cooking video, although I think it's a baking video. I'm gonna be preparing a Nutella Tear and Share bread, something I haven't done in so long. It's going to be, I think at least eight years since I've done this, and it's super easy and super interesting to look at because it looks very elaborate, but it's actually very simple. Over here in our bowl we have white flour. It should be bread flour, but I couldn't find the bread flour, so I'm using white flour, which is about 2 cups or 2 1/3 cup. And I've already preheated my milk, and I've melted my butter, which is about 30 grams of butter, about 180 ml of milk, boiled it to, or heated it to about 110 Fahrenheit. We're gonna put some activated yeast there so that it will activate and ferment. We're gonna add 70 grams of sugar also into the milk, and then after that we're gonna be mixing all the ingredients here and making a dough, and hopefully it becomes sticky and supple. I did this a few hours before this. I just found out from reading the packet, this is gluten-free flour, so I'm not gonna get the stickiness that I want. And realized I was using gluten-free bread, which is actually, gluten-free flour, which is actually no gluten, so it's not gonna stick, so it's not gonna work for this project in particular. Beyond that, we're gonna need also Nutella and some egg yolks, egg whites, and then some active yeast, some sugar, and a pinch of salt. So let's get started. I sifted my flour already, and then we're gonna be moving over here so that we can put some sugar into the milk. So the milk is 115, which is good. So when I add the sugar, it's gonna go down about 1/3 cup of sugar. This will give the yeast something to munch on so that it activates. There you go. So the milk is warm as well, which helps us melt our sugar. A little stir. Oh no, our temperature's gone down, which means we have to reheat the milk. So I have to reheat the milk. Yep. To reheat the milk, it's now 114, which means we have to wait for a little bit more for it to cool down. You don't want your milk too hot because it's going to kill the yeast. You don't want it too cold because it's not going to activate the yeast. 2 teaspoons of active yeast. Give it a nice swirl. And we're going to leave that for 10 minutes. Alright, here we go. I'm going to add the butter first. Not everything. We're going to save some butter for the pan later. And then we're going to add the milk with yeast. Look at that, it's active, all the bubbles. Make sure to get all that goodness. Okay, and then we are going to start folding this over. Slowly mixing. And then we're gonna get our hands dirty. Pass this way, knead, and then you can feel the moisture of the bread, or the flour, sorry. And we're gonna move to the countertop. Gonna get some extra flour for dusting. And then we're just gonna put some elbow into this and knead it down, folding it over. Just rolling it over. We're gonna put some butter in this bowl so it doesn't stick. Then folding it over again, just rolling it through and through, making sure that the consistency and the lumps are gone. And it's a smooth and silky dough. So we still need to knead this. While we're waiting for the dough to rise, we're going to be doing some pizza crust. Also, I like to do my pizza crust a day before we actually use it so that the gluten has time to really get in there. And this recipe is again super simple. You just have to make sure you balance how the dough turns out, and all boils down again to the moisture content and how sticky versus how pliable the dough is. So we're gonna start off with 5 cups of flour. Again, using our flour here. This should make you about, I'd say, 4 pizzas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we have to open the second bag. Again, we're sifting the flour to make sure we get rid of all the bumps and whole round pieces. Always important when you're baking, try not to breathe in the powder. And our last cup of flour. This cooking video brought to you by Victoria. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to be adding our mixture into the dough. So I've been kneading it for about almost 15 minutes and it's feeling really good already. I put some olive oil in the bowl so we can let it stand and rise. And then we're gonna put it in the fridge and use it tomorrow. So I'm so tired. Remember why I stopped baking? Alright, so after kneading and really just working the dough, we're gonna put it in a bowl, cover it up, and then put it in the fridge after 30 minutes and then use it tomorrow. So we're gonna leave that first. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then we're gonna go back to our Nutella Tear and Share bread. Here it is. I don't think it rose enough, but we will proceed as planned. After we've sectioned it into 4 pieces, we're going to begin to roll it out. You want to get into shape of a plate. Alright, just finished the last layer and now I have my plate and I'm literally going to put it there, grab a knife and then start cutting around. And then pop it out. So you leave that in the middle. And a moment of truth. Two turns. 1 or 1.5 turn. So here it is, all our hard work. I don't think the dough rose or expanded enough because it's so small. We do have a lot of leftover here where I've decided to bake it as well. Hopefully this turns out right. We just slathered it with egg yolk, so it's gonna give us a golden brown color. Now, oven has been preheating to 180. We're gonna throw it in until it's golden brown and then we're done. Okay, it's been I think 25 minutes and it's golden brown, burning a little, getting it out. Look at that. Smells amazing. Let's hope it turned out right. Yeah. But that's how it looks. Yeah, overcooked it. Overcooked it. Should have taken it out sooner. Well, there you have it, guys. Here's our dough from last night. Nice and pliable. We're gonna do a test pizza first. Do one sample. I haven't been filming, but we've done so many pizzas and eaten it all. Here's the sample. This is almost done. Ooh. Let's burn this side.
Okay, go. Go. Oh, she's not bantay.
Making a pizza for my staff. But then you can enjoy some pizza also. Kevin tending to our fire and pizzas. Learning how to flick the pizza to rotate it. Hello. Hello. Hi. This is our last pizza. We didn't film most of the pizzas that came out. But it was all good, right, Kev?
Yeah, definitely.
It was so good that no one took a photo.
Okay, guys, was the pizza good? With the stands, huh?
Last on the list, Nutella pizza with some bananas. Last one. Although the oven wasn't hot enough, so the crust didn't flare up. What's wrong with that?
Not enough heat. Newbies.
Alright, that's it. We're gonna end the cooking show here. That's the last of our food. What did you think?
I loved everything. You're so good, honey.